Bury me deep underneath everything I keep inside. Pretty little smile hides every tear behind my eyes. I've held my breath since I was young. I bit my tongue since I was young. To stop myself from rambling on the thoughts I want to ramble on. Just because I let it slide doesn't mean it isn't pulling on my.
It is my absolute honor to present to you one more time in her full 18-year bloom, the lovely Chelsea Haven!
Kasi kami yung magkasama ever since. Makulit na bata, tsaka siya, tahimik. Hindi siya showy eh. Hindi siya katulad ng mga siblings niya na nagsasabi ng feelings.
Naging naging responsible naman siya. Tinatry niya naman yung best niya na magampanan yung pagiging ate sa mga kapatid niya. At the same time, maging mabuting anak.
Happy birthday! I'm very thankful for our friendship na even naging unexpected, like nagkasama-sama lang tayo. You became my best friend na. And I'm very thankful for all of the memories. Kahit na sobrang low maintenance ng friendship natin, nandyan ka pa rin, and I know you'll always be there. Thank you for always supporting me and for being there sa lahat ng performance ko, kayo ni Kali, and I love you so much.
Chelsea, happy 18th birthday. Legal age ka na, so giving you a little bit more freedom, but of course, kakaibat nun yung responsibility na lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo. Hindi porket 18 ka na, you have the license na maging disrespectful kay mami at kay daddy. So yun lang, at saka sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral, makamit mo lahat ng mga dreams mo, yung mga pangarap mo, tsaka maging successful ka sa buhay. Yun lang, sana yung happiness mo naman yung lagi naming hinahangad ni mami mo, tsaka ng mga kapatid mo. Andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Happy birthday, anak. Maraming salamat. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo rin sa amin ng mga kapatid mo.
Happy 18th birthday, ate. I really love you so much. Even though you don't, I really hope God blesses you so much, ate. And sana matupad yung course mo, ate, para din may matanungan ako kapag mag-college na rin ako, ate. Then you really grow more and thrive since you're 18 and thriving. Ate, I really love you so much. Happy 18th birthday.
Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Living in that real world.
Happy birthday, ate. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Huwag mo na mag-boyfriend, please. Thank you so much. Nandyan ka. alagaan ako lagi. Especially nung nagkasakit si Mami. Lahat ng responsibility sinalo mo. Thank you so much.
Mama,